Alright, so here are the finished chocolate chip cookies. What's that? These will be listed on my Etsy, Inconsistent Crafter. The earring hooks I used are these ones. They are nickel free. They are iron, but they're nickel free. Here we go. And yeah, so I made 4 pairs. I got 4 pairs out of 1 block of Fimo clay. So this is what they look like. Let me get the color because it is a little darker than it shows on screen. But yeah, this is what they're gonna look like, and they do have a little hook at the bottom. If you want to add something to it, you can, or just leave it as it is. Let me get the color, hold on. So this is the one I used. I used the Fimo Soft, and it is, I don't know if you can read that, T10 Mango Caramel. And that's the one I used for the cookies, and then I used the brown, oh, what is it called? It's called Chocolat, number 75, chocolate. And I have plenty of that left because obviously I just did the thing, so I gotta figure out what to do with the rest of this. Maybe just buy a bunch more of the caramel, make a bunch of chocolate. Well, it depends on if these even sell. Anyway, like I said, they'll be listed on my Etsy. Thanks for watching and have a great day.